So this is the front range of the Superstitions, and you probably can't tell from the angle I'm at, but where we're going is right there, Praying Hands. Not going to the top, not the top of that whole range right there, but going to Praying Hands, and I'll get you a different angle on that in a second. That's 4 peaks. Getting a little closer now. Again, staring right into the sun. Maybe you can see the 2 hands that are up praying. Probably get it from a different angle better, from the western angle, looking back, or from the east looking west. Maybe we'll see better that angle. There we go. Finally not staring into the sun. As you can see, I've gained a little bit of elevation. Still plenty more to go. Got to get there between the 2 rocks. I made it. Quite a bit of vertical gain in that last section. That's why I'm huffing and puffing. 4 peaks over there. Standing between the 2 praying hands now, looking west, the direction I just came from. Flip it around. That rock over there is called Slot Rock, and I head back out into the sun east to get there. So just keep going through, walk through the praying hands. Okay, I've made it to this other butte here. That is Slot Rock. There's a slot right here, my finger's pointing. There's Praying Hands again. And basically this is the point, you can actually see water coming off the cliff over there. So this is the point where I guess you could say you officially start turning around and start heading back towards the car. You walk through Slot Rock and you're on your way home. Okay, so I don't know if you can get a sense of how steep this is going through Slot Rock here, but it's pretty steep for a little while here. It's hard rock, so I'm not going to slip too much, I don't think. Should have a good grip. I've never been one for doing things the easy way, but you could actually go around. But what fun is that? Let's make it challenging. Looking back up at it now, I survived, at least so far.